everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe, and today we're doing this look using the ANASTASIA Soft Glam palette. Little disclaimer, I've made a complete mess of myself this video. Just so you know, I used some new products all over my whole face and body. But anyways, if you want to see how to get the look and see my thoughts on this palette, then please stay tuned. So I already have my foundation and concealer on. We're gonna get into this Soft Glam palette. So this is what she looks like. Very pretty. I'm gonna do little swatches on my arm. Oh, I should have left them more clear space. So these are the swatches. Sorry for the worst swatch ever. Started out real wide, but those are all the swatches of the shadows. Right here. Also, it comes with this little brush. I never really use the brushes that it comes with, but this looks like a nice little brush to play with. We see a return of some old favorites. Now, just from swatching, I did notice that they moved, but let me tell you something about eyeshadow and pigmentation. The harder they are pressed, the more sheer they are. So let's just jump right out. So first, I'm gonna take burnt orange. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it, you know. I'm gonna do all these shades right into the crease. I'm only talking about that because I know that there was like a bit of a thing everyone was tripping about with that one palette that was a mess, but I think it just wasn't pressed long enough. I got one that wasn't pressed long enough. Could have been just the batch. I've seen lots of people do really beautiful looks with it. Sometimes a batch just doesn't come through for you. I've burnt cookies before. Next, we're gonna go into Sienna. This one's one of my favorites. It's like an OG color. Go right on the outer part here. And I'm actually getting quite a lot done with the brush that it comes with, which I'm impressed with. I usually don't touch the brushes that come with these things. I'm gonna flip over to the other side of the brush and go in with that sienna color again. I'm gonna go right underneath. And I think to be extra for the middle, I'm just gonna do a little line down here underneath my tear duct. Because why not? These blend really beautifully. I actually really like ABH palettes. I think that they're fantastic to travel with too, and I think this is a palette that has a lot of colors that are very useful to slay with. And I like that you can layer it to build up the color to have it as dark or light as you want. Next, I'm going to take orange soda. I just wiped off my brush. I'm gonna go hella bright on the lid here. And I'm just kind of pressing it on. And I'm not spending a ton of time on this because I got places to be. I really like this palette a lot. I don't think a whole lot needs to be said about that, but I'm basically just filling in the empty space with the orange soda shade to add some drama for your mama. I'm gonna go into the Cypress umber color, and I'm just gonna go along the lower lash line on the edge just to bold it out a little bit for some more definition. Can't believe I'm doing a whole look with this little brush that it came with. Usually I don't like these. This one's cute. I almost didn't use it. And I'm just gonna connect it a little bit into the top lid there. If you ever need help blending, take your transition shade again. I'm just gonna blend over top of that. So I like to do my eyeshadow in layers just so I can see how it's going to absorb. I think the only shimmer I'm gonna do for this one is I'm gonna take a little bit of glistening and just go a little bit in here. I'm gonna pull it out a little bit too. Delicious. Should we do the mouse? Maybe. Just take a little tiny bit of noir and just press along just the outer half of my eye. That's it. Intense shadow. I'm using it almost like an eyeliner, but like not really, you know. Cute. I feel good about this. I'm gonna use my Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. I'm going to take the Saddle Anastasia powder bronzer, and I'm just going to snatch up the nose a little bit. I feel like these are really nice contour shades. I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Artist Color. I'm going to mix these two shades together to do my highlight. I'll write the name in the description box because they're numbers. It's like H312 or whatever. Mostly the lighter one, but a little bit of the darker one too. For my nose, I'm just going to go into the lighter one. Be glowy, like put on too much, you feel me? With my Makeup Forever blush, I'll write the name. I'm gonna go into this one, and these are really beautiful too. I know this isn't a review for them, but I've been really feeling blush lately. The powder, it just blends really well. I'm gonna use my Extended Play Mascara by MAC. I love a MAC eyeshadow with highlighted inner corner and hella highlighted skin. It just does something to me, you know? And while I'm doing this, I might as well just tell you my final review of that palette. It's everything, and it's gonna be my new one that I travel with. It's poppin'. I really, really love the colors in there. And I think they're colors that can look good on anybody. It's like one of those palettes, I think. God damn. Oh wow, that couldn't have gone worse. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? This was really bomb up until that second ago. Maybe, you know, I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Okay. I don't even remember what I was saying. These are Nabunsan lashes. I'm gonna write the name in the description box. Have you seen my eyelash glue, Maya? I just dropped mascara all over my face and you have other makeup. That's why do you wear white shirts? You know what? Thank you for asking. I don't know. It was right here the whole time. I'll write the name of these lashes in the description box because I am new to this brand, but my Henry boo, Hank and Henry, always uses them, so I wanted to try too. Okay, so we're just gonna pop those on, which I hope I waited long enough for them to dry. My first time ever using this brand, so. And to be honest, these ones are very extra, but these are like one of the most natural ones I could find. Where are you going? Maya is here. You wanna say hi, Maya? Oh, shade. Bye. Bye. That's the best little sister ever. Sometimes. Sometimes she's an asshole. Just kidding. Oh, I'm so ready for spring and summer so I could just bathe in bronzer and highlighter. For lips, I'm gonna do NARS Precision Lip Liner it's in Venice. I don't even know why I bother with lip liner. I always mess it up anyways. Yep, there you go. Why? I think this makeup's nice, but you know what? It's gonna be just my luck to have it be the audio off or the picture off. Anyways, whatever. And this is the Under Arrest thing that looks like this. I like NARS's products, but I can never figure out what the hell anything's called, so it looks like this. I don't know if it's a gloss or a lipstick or... Ooh, dry ass lips. Ooh. So cute. Never tried this before either. Interesting. It's like a liquid lipstick. Try to see if it smells. Great, now I got lipstick on my eyelash. This is why filming is a struggle for me. So that completes the look. Oh! My contact just popped out. Wow, this is the worst video ever. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. This is all almost new stuff that I used and I really liked it. This was a hot mess of a tutorial, but I mean, I have to wash myself off. But not my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.